In 2023, we're celebrating 100 years of Diversey. Let's reflect on what it means to be 100 years old. It means that we've withstood the hardships of wars, of market crashes, of economic difficulties, pandemics, and we've proved our resilience as a business. It means we've impacted and enhanced the health and well-being of countless lives. It also means we've played a key role in ensuring that people have the confidence of clean environments. For 100 years, thousands of people have helped make our products, persevering through hard times in order to maintain and keep up the service levels for which we've built our reputation. So it's 100 years gone, 100 years still to come, and now we're looking to that future. So join us, and together let's tell the story of Diversey's 100 years